everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the Artsnacks box for May 2020. The snack this time is a Warheads I Got Black Cherry. And as always, we have our nice little menu that lets us know exactly what is inside. Also, we have another little Artsnacks logo sticker to add to the collection. The first piece of actual art supplies is a KLoganArt marker set. Specifically a KLoganArt Real Brush pens set of 4, and this is normally $6.99. This is an Artsnacks exclusive. We specifically curated this pack of KLoganArt Real Brush pens just for Artsnackers. This vibrant watercolor pen acts like a brush, moving effortlessly across paper to create thin or thick lines with its taper nylon brush tip. The vibrant color is light fast and will not streak. These swatched pretty well and they blended okay. The color choices are pretty interesting and it is going to take some extra planning to figure out exactly how to get them all to work together. When I do a project with the stuff in these boxes, I try to use everything that came in there. And some colors need more planning than others. But that's part of the fun and the challenge. When I was swatching these, I did realize that they looked a lot like the Tombow ABT Pro alcohol-based markers we got as a bonus box not too long ago. At least color-wise, they're very similar. The next item we have is a Tombow Erogeton colored pencil, and this is normally $2.39. From its soft lead to its elegant enamel finish, the Tombow Erogeton colored pencil is beautifully crafted for fine art, illustration, or doodling. It produces rich, creamy color that can be easily layered without waxy buildup. Erogeton is the Japanese expression for color encyclopedia. Full sets of these pencils are available in stylish volumes from Tombow. I think this color will work well with the lighter blue marker that we got from KLoganArt. It doesn't seem super pigmented, but it is a very pale pastel color. And with some of those pastels, that's kind of par for the course. The third item we have is a Higgins India ink pump marker that has a 2mm chisel tip nib. This is normally $11.30 retail price. Like any pump marker, you do need to shake it and then press down on the tip to get that ink to start a-flowing. The Higgins India ink pump marker lays down artist grade pigment ink with ease and control. Ideal on paper and boards, this tool has a water-resistant matte finish. It lasts 7 times longer than most permanent markers thanks to its refillable body. Just remove the tip and add more Higgins ink. Be sure to shake thoroughly before use. And this marker is very juicy. I'm probably going to use watercolor paper for the final product because of that. Next we have a Marabu Aqua Pen graphics marker, and this is normally $2.99. Wet your palette with the Marabu Aqua Pen Graphics. This felt tip watercolor pen is double-ended, featuring a fine contour tip and larger brush tip. The water-based pigment ink delivers brilliant color and can be fanned out with a wet brush. Warning! Be sure to never dip these pens directly into water. And the color I got was kind of a mid-tone blue. Let me know in the comment section down below what colors you got in this month's box. The final item that came in this box is a Copic multi-liner, and this is normally $3.99 retail. I got it in black, and it is a 0.3mm one. Create clean, precise drawings with the Copic multi-liner. This pen features a sturdy nib and smooth ink flow. The archival pigment-based ink is waterproof and Copic-proof when dry, meaning it will not bleed when colored over with Copic markers. From the swatches of everything I have here, everything applied fairly smoothly. I do think using a thicker paper, like a bristle board or a thick watercolor paper for all of these items is probably a good idea. Seems like we got a lot of colors in this box, and it'll be fun using them all together. I'm looking forward to it. Today's video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or you want to let me know about any of the art supplies in here, if you've used it before, let me know in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Artsnacks unboxings and projects with them once a month. And the project using these supplies will be up on Monday. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!